Every time you want to select a subject, you probably go to Select, then Choosing Subject. But instead of doing that every single time, go to Edit. Choose Keyboard Shortcuts. From the drop-down, choose Application Menus, then search for Select Subject. There it is. Click on it and assign a shortcut. For this one, I'm going to use F3. Since F3 isn't assigned to any command by default, you won't get any shortcut conflict. Just click Accept, then OK. Now, whenever you want to select the main subject in your image, simply press F3 to select your subject instead of navigating through the menus every time. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.